it out. Posted in the birds, got all these cutters at my mama house. I'm surgical with a K, watch how I slide and push the crowd round. We pushing niggas talking down, we tryna knock them all down. Yank and say go half pack, spin a racks and get more straps. Swear the city ain't get back.
YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy Blick. We ain't at the range, but we out here back on YouTube with that gas. You understand? Well, I'm back in my hometown, West Palm, man. I came back to chill with my mother, the GOAT, my twin. You feel me? And this video is gonna be a short little video, but it's just gonna be me showing my mother how to load her gun. Cause she just got a new gun. What is it? Well, you'll see in a few seconds. But I'm gonna teach her how to load it. You know, I'm a mechanics of the gun, how to operate it, all that good stuff. But stay tuned, comment, like, subscribe. And my apologies, it's windy as a motherfucker. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's islands, probably about 30 minutes away, so that breeze gonna come in strong. Alright, so what's good, YouTube, man? I'm back with my twin, the one that birthed me, the GOAT. Yeah, and I'm here to teach her how to work her firearm. It's a M&P Smith & Wesson Easy. You know, it got a lot of features to make the firearm and shooting experience very easy and smooth for beginner shooters. And it's also a very good gun for ladies too. So, I'm gonna start off basics. You handle the firearm first and foremost. Take the clip out, mag out, you rack it right here. So this gun, they have serrations on it, and they have a protruding back part plate to where it's easy to get. You can see it. Sticks out of it so you can grab it with ease and your fingers not slipping. I'm gonna hand it to you. First and foremost, keep the barrel facing in the safe direction away from anybody that hit anybody.
That's my serial number. Don't be showing people my serial number now.
Show your serial number. Your serial number on this side.
Okay.
And like I said, hold it in the safe direction first and foremost. I'm gonna take it off. First thing I'm gonna have you do is rack it back. First, hold it in a safe direction. Never have your finger on the trigger. When you hold the firearm, finger up here.
Okay.
You left-handed or right-handed?
I'm right-handed.
So why are you holding it with your left?
Because that's the way you handed it to me.
I'm handing it to you. You can grab
Give me
it.
the goddamn wrong thing. I'm holding my right hand.
Hand it here. It has a hand safety, so it doesn't fire unless you have this pressed in. So grab it here, finger, get it, web in here. Finger up here, finger right here.
Okay.
And now finger never goes on the trigger unless you're ready to shoot. So whenever you handle the front, always keep your finger away from the trigger hand, just like that. And just rack it back. That's just the rack. And the clips in there, and the bullets in there. That's just the racking.
But how you make it stay back?
So I'm gonna show you. This part right here is a slide lock. This. It's a slide lock. It's a mag release. Slide lock. When you pull it back, you see this space? It has to be behind this so it can lock into this. And then you let it go.
Okay, let me do that. Take that out. I'm gonna do that.
And also when the mag is in and is in this state, all you do, well, it should be easy. You probably gotta rack it.
That's weird.
Well, you're supposed to be able to rewind, and it'll automatically rack on chamber the gun. But all you do is pull back.
Okay. That's a safety gun.
It's a safety gun.
Yeah.
So it's not gonna fire unless you squeezing it fully. You feel me?
Yeah.
Yeah. And if I'm not mistaken, yours don't have a regular safety. So, like I said, camera keep going out of storage. So she's gonna load it up, chamber the bullet, drop the mag, unchamber the bullet, just to show that she knows how to safely and proficiently use the firearm. You understand? So I'm gonna go ahead, take off twin.
Okay. Let me do this.
With the pretty nails on.
Where's mama?
You know, same hair.
My hair longer than yours. I just got it up.
Almost.
Ain't no don't let me take. Oh, don't let me take.
Small stomach.
Listen, my junk way down here.
Yeah,
You know I started before you. Jit, come on now.
Yeah, man.
Don't play.
I'm finna hawk it down, though. Like,
Don't. That's good. Don't let me take
ball hawk.
Don't let me take my hair down.
Man.
Okay. We good?
Hold 'em up. See your finger off the trigger. No. Smooth, easy, greasy. Drop mag. Easy. Unchamber.
Oh, you want to unchamber?
Yes, ma'am. Unchamber. So, yeah, you know it's safe. You understand? We're gonna be at the gun range. Like I said, she waited months and months for me to come down here and show her. I've been busy working, you know, in different cities, and now I'm down here. I had to come back down here because I'm not staying too long to go to the gun range and show her how to line up the sight, get the shots on target, and hold the gun in the right way. You understand? Matter of fact, I can show her how to hold the gun right now. You can just here. Shoot his meat. Now let me show you the best way. And here, this meat right here goes in here. So it sits.
Okay.
Fit. Your thumbs right here.
Okay.
So you're trying to get as much of your hands on the gun as possible to combat the recoil of the gun.
Okay.
And the slide's gonna come back, but it's nothing stick. It's not gonna like break your finger unless you like hold it like
Like that.
Yeah, it can be like touching the slide. It won't hurt you or nothing like that. As long as you're not right here, you'll get slide bite. So just up here, high and tight. When it grip tight, you'll be good.
Let me try it. I don't know. That's like kind of like a retarded. Oh.
That sounds dumb.
Yeah. Almost.
Up in there a little bit.
Up some more.
And this hand, yeah, more like a guide.
Like that.
Yeah, but you'll be keeping your.
I know, but I was showing on your camera so they can like and subscribe.
Yeah, like that. So y'all can like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah. See?
Yeah, and then when we're ready to shoot, pull the trigger, and we're gonna go crazy. So like the video, and we out here another time at the range next time. Yeah.
Okay.
You may not know right where you're going, but I do. And all the times you wasn't chosen, well, I